Welcome back to the garden. It's Dirt Diaries today, and we are going to harvest coriander seed. Let 2 of my cilantro plants go to seed, and we're going to harvest those today. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. You will forever have cilantro plants and coriander seed. You'll never have to buy it again. So let's harvest coriander seed today. I've harvested all of the seeds that I can right now. Many of them are still green, so I'll have to wait till they turn brown. So now that I have these, let's go inside and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with them until then.